Okay, what I'm doing, I'm just running along while I'm waiting for the ceiling to dry. I'm just going along here with this razor blade knife, just scraping the walls. You can see how it takes the high spots off. I think this must have been painted with a brush or something at one time. Anyway, I'm going to do that, and then I'll go over these tape spots on this half of the wall. Then I'll move the bed and stuff over here and do that. I was looking at this vent. That's the way I get heat in here. It'd be nice to have a fan in there. And I'm looking here at the electrical. I'm not sure what side of the stud this, if it even is on a stud. I don't know. But we'll find out. And if I think there's a possibility that I could run wire from there down here to here, I would be tempted to mount a little tiny fan in there, just enough to move the air, and not just have to hope it gets warm in here. Remember, I'm only heating one room in this house, really. The rest of it just has to get there, and that's the way they did it. There's a register going upstairs. That one has plenty of flow because the hot air goes up. But this one, getting hot air to move sideways is a little harder. All right, I'm getting back to work.